Good morning, everybody. J.R. Shelby, the General Manager at Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria. I'm standing with my Regional Vice President, Tom Middlestat. Tom has come down today to let us know that we have to make room for all of our upcoming 2022 models. So what he's done is he's come down today and he's discounting every single house on our sales center. Tom, tell us about it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, every single Palm Harbor, you're going to be able to get $10,000 off of every single Palm Harbor that's on this store. We've been in a huge demand market the last year, had trouble getting all the product we need. We loaded it up in 2021s. Now we need to move them out for 2022s. Come see us now, today, within the next week and a half at least. Don't miss out.
Guys, there is a ton of opportunity sitting on our sales centers. Homes for everybody's wants, needs, and budgets. You do not want to miss out on this. To learn more, give us a call at 361-576-2171 or just stop by and visit us at 1709 East Houston Highway. Thank you, guys.